uh, this device for token. See market statistics. As a beginner, all you need to do is just add it to your watch list. That's the most important thing. For the tech app, this there are about a trillion of these tokens or more. So we have Dogecola starting in 9 days time. Participating in Dogecola Airdrop, you can get up to 650,000 Dogecola tokens. 250 million Dogecola tokens will be given out to 1,000 winners. So if you divide that by 1,000, that's somebody is shorting already. So for the steps, we have Dogecola. You need to add it to your watch list. You need to join the Telegram group chat. You need to follow Twitter account. You need to complete the task, retweet, pin posts, tag your friends. You can tag more than two. Watch out for the winner stays on 14 days of the Twitter and content of the website. Content of the website. So the content of the website will be there, made available to you guys. Then I'll be dropping on the links in the description box below so you can get access to this airdrop and kick off with the basic steps required. So guys, I hope this update is helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not. As a returning subscriber, thanks for watching, and then let us know in the comment section how we can improve serving you guys better. Then you can make your videos for videos and we'll try as much as possible to deliver. So guys, one love guys, one love. The Dogecola price token airdrop live on Coinmarketcap. Thanks for watching guys.